Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. In science, last few weeks, we discussed about fourth lesson, science in everyday life. In that lesson, in previous classes, we discussed about some home appliances and their uses and importance of kitchen medicines. Do you remember that, children? Right. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic about simple scientific investigation in daily life. What is the topic? Simple scientific investigation in daily life. Children, the curiosity of science starts from home, and it is promoted by simple scientific investigations of the things that we see around us or use daily in our life. Like why the leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color, and what is the difference between the moon and the sun? What is the difference between the moon and the sun? And how does the television work? How does the television work? Likewise, we have different kinds of science investigation in our day-to-day life. Children, before we could enter the lesson, first we are going to learn some new words. Are you ready, children? Yeah, very good. Now, shall we start? First one, rays. First one, rays, kadirgal. R-A-Y-S, rays. And second one, shadow. Shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow, நிழல். Third one, real, உண்மையானது. Third one, real, உண்மையானது, R-E-A-L. Next, fourth one, dark. Fourth one, dark, D-A-R-K, dark, இருள். Next, fifth one, blocking. Blocking, தடுப்பது, B-L-O-C-K-I-N-G, blocking. So, what are the first 5 words, children? They are rays, shadow, real, dark, and blocking. Okay, shall we learn next 5 words? Yeah. Sixth one, experiment. சோதனை, experiment, E-X, P-E-R-I, peri, M-E-N-T, ment, experiment, சோதனை. Next, seventh one, pour, ஊற்றல், P-O-U-R, pour, ஊற்றல். Eighth one, floats, மிதக்கிறது, floats, F-L-O-A-T-S, floats. Ninth one, sprinkle, தெளிக்கவும், S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E, sprinkle. And 10th one, plob, B-L-O-B, plob, kumir. Okay, so next 5 words are experiment, pour, floats, sprinkle, and plob. Next, 11th one, measuring, அளவிடும், measuring, M-E-A-M-E-A-M-S-U, R-I-N-G, ring, measuring. Okay, measuring means அளவிடும். Next 12th one, invented. I-N, in, V-E-N, when, T-E-D, ted, invented. Invented means கண்டுபிடிக்கப்பட்டது. Next 13th one, instrument. Instrument, I-N, in, S-T-R-U, stru, M-E-N-T, mint. Instrument. Instrument means கருவி. Next 14th one, thermometer. Thermometer, T-H-E-R, ther, M-O, mo, meter, M-E-T-E-R, meter. Thermometer. Thermometer means வெப்பமானி. Next 15th one, temperature. Temperature, வெப்பநிலை. So last 5 words are measuring, invented, instrument, thermometer and temperature. So today totally we have learnt 15 new words. They are rays, shadow, real, dark, blocking, experiment, pour, floats, sprinkle, plob, measuring, invented, instrument, thermometer and temperature. Okay, now let us getting into the lesson. Okay, children, now you are going to find out what is the topic now we are going to discuss. Okay, children, you are running around in the park on a bright sunny day, but you are not alone. Okay, it seems that everywhere you go, something is following you. Okay, suppose if you walk slowly, it walks slowly. And if you run, that also start to run. But you are not being chased by a person. Okay, what is that? Have you understand what I said now? You consider now any park. Okay, you are running around in the park on a bright sunny day, but you are not alone. That means that everywhere you go, something is following you. If you walk slowly, that is also walk slowly. And when you run, it also start to run. But you are not being chased by any person. Okay, what is that? Can you guess? Yes, shadow. See here, shadow. Yes, children, now we are going to discuss about shadow. Okay, children, have you ever noticed that shadow formation? Have you ever observed that shadow formation and it behaves? Yeah, good. Now, see here. What do you notice in the image? See, I have given some image here. What do you notice here? Yes, two people are walking and we can see their shadows. Isn't it? Yes. Now, why and how are shadows formed? To understand shadows, you will first need to understand what is transparent and opaque objects. Okay, you have to first understand what are transparent and opaque objects. Here, transparent means ஒளி புகக்கூடிய பொருட்கள், and opaque object means ஒளி புகாத பொருட்கள். Okay, ஒளி means here light. Okay, transparent, T-R-A-N, T-R-A-N-S, transparent, P-A-R-E-N-T, transparent, and opaque, O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque, transparent and opaque objects. Okay, now transparent object. What is transparent objects? That which allow light rays to pass through it. Okay, which allow light rays to pass through it. Okay, for example, see here glass. Okay, glass and water. Okay, glass sheet and water are examples of transparent objects. Okay students, now let us getting into the topic. In this topic, 3 things we are going to discuss. Okay, they are what is shadow and what are the source of light and which things and all can block the light and can make shadow. Okay, first thing, what is shadow? A shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light. A shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light. Children, see here, a man is walking on the road. Isn't it? A man is walking on the road. Here, which one is shadow? This is a shadow. This is a shadow. So here, who is blocking the light? A man is blocking a light. So a shadow is the dark shape. Is this dark shape? Yes, this is dark shape when something blocks light. Here a man is blocks the light. See, for this formation of shadow, we must have source of light. Isn't it? For the formation of shadows, we must have some source of light. Now let us see source of light. Okay, the sun and a light bulb in our room. The sun and a light bulb in our room or any other flashlight. Okay, so formation of shadows, we must have a source of light in order to have some shadows. Okay children, all kinds of things are great at blocking that light and making shadows. Okay children, now see here trees. So many trees are there, isn't it? That all the trees can block the light, and down you see these are all fully shadows only. So trees can block the light and can make shadows. See here also, this is also shadow only. Okay, and here some buildings also can block the light and can make some shadows. Okay students, now let us move on to the next topic. Okay, first see this picture. What is this? Have you seen this device? Yes, where have you seen this? In hospitals, isn't it? Yes. What is this name? This is only called thermometer. Okay children, next we are going to discuss about thermometer. Okay, first one is, what is thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring body temperature. Children, before itself I explained it to you. In the beginning itself I explained it to you Tamil meaning of these words. Thermometer, instrument measuring temperature. Thermometer means வெப்பமானி, instrument means கருவி, measuring means அளவிடும், temperature means வெப்பநிலை. Okay children, usually our body temperature is lower in the morning and it increases during the daytime and is highest in the evening. Children, other than this, a rise in body temperature is usually caused by any infection. Okay, at that time we can using this thermometer to check our temperature can help us manage any illness. So this thermometer is used for measuring body temperature. Children, this thermometer is made up of full and full glass tube. Okay, full and full glass only. See here, this consists of a narrow sealed glass tube. Okay, and like a scale, in scale we have some numbers, isn't it? Likewise here some numbers are there from 10 to 120. Okay, with the help of these numbers only we can measure our body temperature. Okay children, so up to this I am going to stop today. Next week we will discuss about evaluation of this same lesson. Okay, so today's homework, you are going to learn 2 question and answers, along with that 15 hard words. Okay, first question is, what is shadow? A shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light. A shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light. Second question is, what is thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring body temperature. Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring body temperature. And new words. Okay, beginning itself I explained to you. Once again I am going to read all the words. Okay, listen carefully and you have to learn and write along with that 2 question answers. Okay, these 15 words. First one, race. First one, race, R-A-Y-S. Second one, shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. Third one, real, R-E-A-L, real. Fourth one, dark, D-A-R-K, dark. And fifth one, blocking, B-L-O-C-K-I-N-G, blocking. Next, sixth one, experiment, E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T, experiment. Seventh one, pour, P-O-U-R, pour. Eighth one, floats, F-L-O-A-T-S, floats. Ninth one, sprinkle, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E, sprinkle. Tenth one, plob, B-L-O-B, plob. Next, 11th one, measuring, M-E-A-S-U-R-I-N-G, measuring. 12th one, invented, I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D, invented. 13th one, instrument, I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T, instrument. 14th one, thermometer, T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R, thermometer. And last one, temperature, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. So once again I am going to read all the words. Race, shadow, real, dark, blocking, experiment, pour, floats, sprinkle, plob, measuring, invented, instrument, thermometer and temperature. Thank you children.